Welcome to Fishing Nation TV. I'm Arthur, as you know, but if you didn't, now you do. I got my new dirt bike back here, and I'm gonna ride around for the second time because I done fixed it up and got out the little box and tuned it up and everything. So I'm gonna put this on right here, my helmet. You always gotta have your helmet on because you don't want to smash your brain bag. Like I tell my friend, you gotta have a helmet on because if you don't, you smash your brain bag. Your body might be okay without a scratch on it, but I'm a vegetable, yeah. But we're gonna have this on right here, and we're gonna have some gloves on, and we're gonna try this out. You ought to see me progress because I haven't ridden a dirt bike. This is like my actually first dirt bike, so we're gonna see how it goes. Got away from me there, but it's okay. We're all safe. Everything's cool. Stay awesome. That's it, ladies and gents. I think I'm gonna have to ice my calf muscle down after that one. I had to catch that thing. It was like catching a person dead weight. And thank you for watching. As usual, stay awesome. Boom.